There we go, 53 Ruby, 21-1 build. What a beautiful boat. Front seats. I am impressed. I remember this boat when it was a new boat, which is 14 years ago. Yeah, it still looks like a new boat to me. The hull is, wow, they kept it well, or they made it well. Yep. Cockpit area. Swim platform with a 350 kg crane. It's good. This is the Ruby 53, the interior of the boat. It's beautiful. Everything is original. Nothing is changed. The color scheme, the leather of the sofa is pure leather. I remember this boat. It was it came to Hong Kong around 2012, 21-1. It was a very modernized design. They tried their best to make a very good design, and I'm very impressed. It's over a decade and it's very, very well kept, and there are no leaks. There is nothing. Like this is a very nice sunroof. Yeah. I don't want to spoil this. Yeah, a very nice sunroof. It's good to have a cover, otherwise it gets heated up. A very sensible three bedroom layout. Okay, and you see this side has been extended toilet, so the toilet is extended. Anyways, let's see. Here is the forward cabin. Of course, you can also call it as a guest cabin. It has an entrance to the toilet. The entrance also from the outside. So two cabins, the guest cabin and the twin cabin, can use this toilet. So here, so this is a very nice shower area, very big shower area. And this is the washroom. Here's the guest cabin. I'll put the lights on. So here is a twin bed with a filler in case somebody wants a big bed. Yep, fully carpeted. The carpet is perfect, very good condition. So here is the master bedroom. This is very much like the European style, like the varieties or something like that. So this is a table that can be up, and this is the washroom, toilet. This is the toilet, and this is the shower compartment here. This is it. TV, small TV is enough for the boat. Yep. Okay. This is the flybridge area. Caterpillar engines, twin, sink. This will be a, okay, nothing much over there. This is the, yeah, bimini. This is basically a cooking barbecue. You can do your stuff here. You know, you can put the food, you can have barbecue right here on top. The little fridge over here, important. Very big sunbed. Very nice seating on the front. It's kept very professionally clean, because I know how hard it is to keep the boat clean. They have 2 crew full time. So you always want to check the hull, check the the windows, the ceiling, just to make sure nothing is leaking. You can, the wood is of course in very good condition. Need a little bit of oiling, or that's it, but you don't have to. This is the very nice anchor, stainless steel, some Maxwell windlass, heavy duty. So the engine room is very clean. One of the light needs to change, I guess, but you can see neat, tidy, no dirt. These seem to be the tank, Caterpillar engine here. Blowers, chargers, well arranged, you know. You should see the bilge always. If the bilge is dry, always good news, and the bilge is dry, so that's good. Very well clearly labeled stuff.